In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the power of Waaibot's default templates. Instead of building from scratch, we will deploy a full-fledged, predefined interactive menu. Go to our workflow section and select the main menu bot from the templates library. Waaibot instantly creates the complete, predefined workflow structure and loads it into your editor. Here you see a professional 3-option workflow ready to go. It is designed to handle common customer requests, allowing users to easily check pricing, contact customer care, or view your current promotions. Our workflow fulfills these 3 requirements out of the box, but for the promotions section, we need to add a visual element. As the template includes a media placeholder, you must add your specific promotional image. To do this, navigate to the Media section in the sidebar. Click Choose File from your local drive. You have now added the image to your Waaibot media gallery. Go back to your editor and locate the purple media node in the promotions path. Double-click it. Here, you can link your recently uploaded image directly to the promotion query section of your chatbot. Within the media node, you can define a caption exactly as per your requirement. For a truly personalized experience, you can even add variables from previous nodes to create dynamic captions that address the user by name or reference their specific inquiry. Furthermore, Waaibot allows you to add multiple media files to a single node, which will all be sent to the user in a seamless sequence. Once you link the image, our sophisticated chatbot is ready for deployment. Go to Device Management to assign the workflow. You will see we already have a bot assigned from the previous tutorial. We need to adjust the priority. Make our current main menu workflow the primary bot. This means it will respond to all general incoming messages. Change the other bot to keyword specific, meaning it will only trigger when a user types its exact defined keywords. For now, let's add a test number to the new assignment. This ensures the bot only replies to that specific number during the testing phase. Once testing is done, you can disable the test number to make it live for all incoming messages. Once our chatbot is successfully linked, the next step is to test the full interaction on our WhatsApp screen. Our first example option is pricing. If you want to send a single response, you can use the message node to define either a static or dynamic message using variables. In this example, we've defined our pricing structure, and the chatbot instantly delivers that static message to the user upon request. Now let's explore the interactive data collection capabilities of Waaibot. If a user selects option 2 for customer care, our workflow intelligently manages the request even when agents are offline. The bot instantly prompts for a callback. Once the user responds, the system captures their intent and closes the interaction with a polite confirmation message. But where does this data go? Navigate to the CRM Submissions section on your dashboard. Here, every single input, whether it's a callback request or a new registration, is securely saved. You can see the lead name and callback responses logged in real time. This data can be exported or used to trigger further automations, ensuring you never miss a lead. Let's demonstrate our media chatbot option in action. As we previously linked our promotional image to the workflow, we can now see how Waaibot intelligently serves this media to your customers. When the user selects Promotions by typing option 3, Waaibot doesn't just send text. It instantly pushes the high-quality image we uploaded, ensuring your brand looks professional. Notice how the image is immediately followed by a message node to describe the offer. You can even include a direct product purchase link using an API node, allowing users to lock in a sale instantly within WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.